My name is Saud Abu Alshawareb. I'm the Executive Vice President of Industrial and TECOM Group and the Managing Director of Dubai Industrial City. There is an increased focus on food production locally because during the pandemic there was really a direction from the government to increase the localizing the industrial production within the UAE itself. And because of the advanced logistics services and infrastructure that we have, it really helped a lot of companies to establish their manufacturing plants within Dubai and the UAE and try to cover the local market needs and at the same time cover the regional and global market needs. The UAE in 2021 announced the Food Security Agenda 2051. So the aim was behind having the food security agenda implemented in the UAE by the Ministry of Climate Change and Environment is really to focus on making sure that we have the local need requirements here, using advanced technology and producing some components that are not being produced locally as we speak. This really drives the growth of the UAE food security agenda to be achieved by 2051. Within the industrial sectors in the UAE, within Dubai in specific, as Dubai Industrial City, we are providing a dedicated food and beverage zone of an area that exceeds 23.5 million square feet of land that is purely focusing on food manufacturing companies. So the food manufacturing, localizing it is very important for us. How to cover the future demand of the growth in population is mainly through having this localization happening. We know that the UAE has a very strong infrastructure, but what adds to the strength is deploying advanced technology into process lines. So yes, we have the power and water availability, but we have a lot of factories that are recycling their waste and reusing them into production. And at the same time, we have food factories that generate renewable energy from solar power, which really reduces the carbon emissions of those factories. Having all those components together really covers the need of the future population growth in the UAE. We have a partnership agreement with the Ministry of Industry and Advanced Technology to deploy and apply the ITTI, the Industry Technology Transformation Index. So by having this index, what we are doing today is making sure that we upgrade the existing food factories to be more automated, and at the same time to deploy that advanced technology for new factories that are being designed and constructed in Dubai. So those factories, making sure that you have a high quality production by ultimately using the raw material that goes into process, making sure that the water and electricity is generated through renewable components. This all helps in making sure that we have a very strong food and beverage made in UAE product that can reach to any country around the world. Within our event calendar every year, Gulfood comes in the top priority of Dubai Industrial City to participate in. We've noticed that it's mainly more towards positioning, more towards making sure that we comply with the government agendas of the food security to make sure that we have enough factories and to attract in more factories to tap in the food security agenda. Having a platform and in a global event like Gulfood within the region itself, you can see more than 150 countries participating here this year. This really shows how this event is very crucial to the food sector in the region, not only the UAE.